how to bulk create content in Canva. Let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to develop the content that I want Canva to bulk create. I'm going to be using an AI tool called Claude, and this is going to help me generate a bunch of motivational quotes that we can put into Canva. So if I give Claude a prompt, Claude is going to take its time to give me those motivational quotes. Now what we want to go ahead and do is make a selection of all the text so that we get all of the quotes. We then want to go ahead and copy the quotes. Next, we want to create a CSV of these quotes. So I'm going to go ahead and load up Google Sheets, go into the first column, and then I'm going to press Command V to paste all of the quotes that we've created into this Sheets document. So once we have all of our quotes in Google Sheets, what we then want to do is go to File, go down to Download, and then choose CSV. Once that is saved to your machine, we can then head back into Canva. Now for this example, I'm just using a template that was already in Canva. Now what we want to do is fully customize the image exactly how we want it to appear. So I'm just going to put @CreatorFix for this example. Now to create our bulk list of 100 motivational quotes, what we need to do is go over to the left panel and select Bulk Create. Now as you can see, we have two options here. We can enter data manually or upload a CSV. If we click on more data sources, we just have CSV there as well. So what we want to do is click Upload CSV so that we can bring in the CSV file that we generated. With our data uploaded to Canva, we then want to go and click on the element in which we want the data to appear. So for this example, it's going to be this quote here. What we then want to do is right click on this element and click Connect Data, and then we want to click on the CSV file. This is going to pull in the first quote, and as we can see, it kind of goes outside of the speech bubble a little bit for me. So what I'm going to do is bring this size down where I know every single word of every single quote will fit within the speech bubble. And just to be safe, I'm going to extend this speech bubble a little bit as well. Okay, so with all of those configurations complete, we can then go ahead and click on the continue button, and then we want to generate 101 pages. So Canva is going to bulk create all of our designs and create a brand new Canva document with all of our motivational quotes in. So if we scroll through, we can see that the quotes that we just imported into that CSV file and then into Canva have created all of these designs. Once you're happy with the way your design looks, you can then go ahead and click the share button at the top, click download, and what we can do is change this to a JPEG, which is best for sharing. We can configure the size and quality. I would typically leave it at this. And then you can choose which pages you want to download. In this case, we would want to download all of the pages, and then we can go ahead and click that download button, and Canva will download all of this content ready for us to share online. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.